Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 19th, 2024. And we have two puzzles already done. The 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, it's the binary puzzle number 9620. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. And this one has 16 printed digits. Yeah, 16. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O, between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 3 1s we have here in this row. If we place number 5, number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 3 O's we have here. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in the first column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, double O's, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. We saw it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.